A very good morning to my dear students of class 6B. I welcome you all to this new class of English for this week. Children, before beginning with the next chapter, I want to assure myself, plus I want a reassurance for yourselves that you people have gone through the first chapter, which was conducted all over the last week. And then you need to see which questions you people have not done in your copies. You need to do that. Then you need to see whether the exercises are completed in your books, because I posted the PDF with the exercises as well. So the second thing you need to see is check your books whether the exercises are done there or not. But if in case you don't have a book, then you need to note down the exercises part somewhere specifically. Alright, so like this, your one chapter will be prepared and it is revised, although it was taught by another teacher in the beginning. But from now, we will be taking up the new chapter, and we will be starting with the summary. I will tell you what is the chapter all about, and then we will discuss the chapter in detail in the coming classes of this week. So this chapter is the first chapter from A Pact of Sun book, and the chapter says A Tale of Two Birds. A tale here talks about a story of two birds. Children, before jumping in the story of this or the chapter, I would like to brief you all one very important thing which we keep on listening from our parents and our grandparents, that we should always have a good company. We have always been listening this from our relatives, from our parents, from our grandparents, that we should always have a very good company, because our company decides what we are becoming. Then our company lets us our description in the whole world. We are known by the company we keep. If we have a company of very honest, loyal friends, this is definitely for sure that we are turning out to be very loyal and very true person actually. If we have a company of liars, we all have seen students lying to their teachers for not doing their work, lying to their parents for not getting good marks. Everywhere we see these things, but we should notice this, that from the beginning, if we try to be honest, we are going to nurture this value of honesty, and then in future also in our lives we are not going to speak lies on different issues. For example, if we have a group of 4 friends, where a friend comes up and says, I have not done my work, but I am not going to tell this to my teacher. I will be saying that I have forgot the copy at home. Children, that is a very small issue. But yes, the child has started lying. So in this way, the child will develop the skills of lying, and he will become dishonest, he will become disloyal. And then what he is showing? He is showing these wrong values to his friends also. Then seeing him speaking lies and getting escape from punishments or scoldings from the parents, the other students or the other friends of that group also start lying. So this way the company is affecting a person's personality to a major extent. One should always keep this in mind, that what company we have, we should see that it is going to reflect ourselves in our personality. So let us begin with the chapter with this sweet little moral of the story, A Tale of Two Birds. Children, the story speaks and depicts the importance of the company one keeps. As I have discussed in the beginning, that we should always keep good company with ourselves. How one's company can impact one's behavior and build a character. Children, that is very true. Our company is going to help us in building our character. Suppose a person has started stealing things from early stages. His friends get to know this habit of stealing. If this habit is not checked at the right time by the parents and everybody, the child is going to develop that habit of stealing. Whenever he will see something, he will steal it, he will keep it. So this is what he is building his character alike. Similarly, if we are friends to thieves, robbers, we are going to develop our personality in the same way. Therefore, it is very important to see what friends we are in the company of, and we should choose our friends very wisely. Children, we cannot choose, we cannot select. Friends are the relation which we make on our own, but yes, we can guide our friends. If we are seeing them doing something wrong, we can train them, we can tell their parents about, and we should see our company is helping us in building a strong moral and a strong character. So, with this short little introduction, children, we will wind up today's class, and in the next class, I will start with the chapter and the explanation. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. But before signing off, I would like you to remind everyone that please go through the previous work of Who Did Patrick's Homework. The questions and answers are completed in the copy. Second task, you have read the chapter loudly and clearly. And the third task, you should see that the exercises are done in your books. If you don't have a book, you need to note down the answers of the exercises somewhere in a rough notebook. So that's all for today's class, children. I will see you all in the next class with the chapter explanation. Thank you so much and have a nice day.